All right, let's go ahead and take a look at dust collection. So for the 1617 EDS, there's a kit you can buy from Bosch. It's the RA1173AT. Comes with everything that you need for dust collection for both bases. And so we'll go ahead and start with the fixed base. So this connector here, this dust connector and dust hood is quite sturdy, it's thick, it's substantial. I don't anticipate ever having any problems with it. You use a couple of thumb screws to fasten it into place, and there we go. Now the dust collection hood and port are in place on the fixed base. It comes with this adapter for a 1 1/4 inch inside diameter vacuum hose or adapter, and a 1 1/2 inch diameter hose or adapter, and it fits right in like so. One of the things I happen to have is a Rockler dust collection system, and you can buy a connector that goes on and clicks right into the dust hose, and so that fits in there nicely as well. Now for the plunge base, it's a little bit different on the plunge base. So we have this dust hood and this, this chip deflector, and this came actually with the kit, the base kit, so I didn't have to buy this separately. And this just snaps into place right in front. There's a couple of tabs. You want to be careful with it. And it just snaps right in. There we go. And then it pivots up into place. And now you have your chip deflector. To install the dust collection piece here, this one doesn't seem as substantial as this one, but I think it's going to be fine. I've read some reviews online where these break easily, but this one seems to be strong enough. Now I also have the template adapter in here, and you need to make sure it's in the right spot, because it actually has a spot built into the dust collection piece here for the lever that's used for that. Because on the Bosch routers you have to, unless you buy a different base, you have to buy a kit so you can use bushings. And I use a couple more thumb screws, and then you have your dust collection ready. And again, you can use the one that came with the kit, and I happen to have an extra one from something else, and I have the Rockler dust stripe connector, so I anticipate that's going to work very well. Now they have this dust collection hood that's used on the base of the router, and what you actually have to do, the instructions say that you actually have to remove screws on the base of the router to get this into place. So then if you're routing on an edge, you can use this. But so that's dust collection for the Bosch 1617 EDS.